Bring in Dan Dolev, Managing Director and Senior Analyst at Mizuho. Dan, thanks for being here.
Hey, Frank, how are you?
So, Dan,
Happy 4th.
Before we get into your picks on ways to play crypto without actually being in crypto, I want to get your take on some news we're just getting. Cash App, which is owned by Block, formerly Square, having some connectivity issues with their Bitcoin and their cash cards. What does this say to you about, just the stock, obviously, but also the fact that it also involves Bitcoin? What does that say right now?
Yeah, that's really interesting because, again, I don't know what it is, but what I've always feared, and this is not just for Cash App, it's for everything, is that there'll be a moment like that, we call it the tipping point, the Bitcoin tipping point, where people realize that they haven't made money in Bitcoin, and then they're starting to sell. At least on the Coinbase platform, it must be pretty much the same on the Cash App. The average cost basis, the people at which people bought Bitcoin, is about 21,000. So we're in like danger territory in terms of people wanting to sell. But I don't know if that explains what's happening, but it's definitely like a legitimate observation.
Yeah, Arcade Rooney had a similar number at 22,500. But either way, whether it's Voyager Digital, whether it's today with Cash App having issues, in your mind, does this make people a little bit more wary about cryptocurrencies and maybe even more likely to sell?
100%. So I think, the old saying was nobody lost money in crypto. And this 21, and Kate, I agree with Kate, $22,000. That's a very interesting watershed moment because it's the point that where 50% of, say, investors on the Coinbase platform, according to our survey, are actually underwater. So at 19,000, pretty much more people are underwater, and they're probably having that calculus in their head, and they're saying, hey, was it really worth it? Should I stick or should I? It's like a flight or fight moment, and I think that a lot of people are going to consider not owning it in the future because of that.
All right, Dan, let's get to your stock picks. We want to make sure we get to your stock picks before we let you go. One of them is Square. Why is that a great way to play cryptocurrency without actually investing?
And that's a great point. And I think Square is like a very interesting singularity here because only less than 5% of gross profit is actually tied to Bitcoin. But the overall aura of Square, right, the celebrity of the CEO, and I would say the focus on Bitcoin makes it bigger than it is. But if you actually look at the fundamentals, they're not tied to Bitcoin at all, right? So Bitcoin movement doesn't really move the fundamentals, but it moves the stock. So if you're bullish on Bitcoin, if you're bullish on crypto, it's a way to kind of hedge yourself and say, hey, it might work or it might not, but the fundamentals are strong either way.
All right, I misspoke. It's Block, used to be Square. Your two other picks are Mastercard and Marketa. Can you give us a few lines about each one of those as why you see them as ways to play crypto without actually investing in crypto?
100%. So Mastercard, out of the two networks, Mastercard has actually been more, agile and more, I would say, innovative in terms of its crypto exposure, enabling crypto credit cards, debit cards across the world. So that, if you like crypto, this is a way to play it. And Marketa is kind of the ETF on fintech. So pretty much like every vertical, buy now, pay later, crypto, debit, etc., is exposed to Marketa, which does the issuing of the cards. So it's a way to play crypto without actually owning crypto or having very high exposure to crypto.
All right, Dan Dolev, we appreciate the insight. Thanks for being here.